How to create a simple writing text animation in After Effects. Creating a simple writing text animation in After Effects is straightforward and produce a visually appealing effect for various editing projects. But how exactly can you achieve this effect? Let's dive right into the video. Firstly, we need to create text. To do this, use the shortcut Ctrl+T to access the type tool. Then click on the preview screen and type the text you want. Now select a suitable writing font. Just explore and see which one fits best. Next, we all use the pen tool to trace the text. Access the pen tool with the shortcut G. Select the text layer, then on the preview screen, carefully trace around your text. Don't connect the pads. Instead, create a new layer by clicking on an empty area while holding the Alt key. It's important to work in sequence. So think about the order you want the writing to appear. If you need to adjust anything, you can easily change the mask order on the text layer by dragging. Once that's done, let's animate it. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, look for the Stroke plugin and add it to your text layer. And the effect controls. Check the All Masks option. Adjust the brush size to around 8 or higher. And set the paint style to reveal original image. Now let's create a keyframe for start at the beginning of the layer with a value of 0. Move forward in the timeline by about 2 seconds and change the value to 100%. You've now created a simple writing text animation. If something doesn't look right, you can always adjust the mask or the sequence as needed. Next, select the 2 keyframes and apply Easy Ease with the F9 shortcut. Then, go to the speed graph editor and adjust it according to your preference. You can make the animation start quickly, maintain a steady pace, or accelerate towards the end. Experiment to see what looks best for your project. Also, don't forget to enable motion blur for a smoother effect. Consider adding a glow. Go back to the Effects and Presets panel, search for glow and apply it to the text layer. Increase the glow radius to about 30 for a more pronounced effect. And there you have it, a beautifully created simple writing text animation in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.